Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the Versa 2 above 50% and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Open the Fitbit app and sign in so the watch can authenticate. This prevents time mismatches. Once done, keep the phone within about 10 feet and ensure the app can access location if prompted, because the phone supplies the correct time zone. Now tap the account icon and select your device to start the sync process that will transfer time settings. You force a manual sync in the Fitbit app by selecting your Versa 2 and tapping Sync Now. Keep the app open until it finishes because partial sync can leave outdated time. Then check the watch firmware under Settings, right arrow About. Outdated firmware can block time updates, so update if available. Make sure your phone's system time zone is set to automatic. The watch relies on the phone for the correct zone, and that connection makes the displayed time accurate. Finish by rebooting the Versa 2 and immediately performing another manual sync, because a restart clears temporary glitches and forces a fresh time pull. If the time still shows incorrectly, unpair the watch in the app and remove it, then add it back as a new device to reset the connection. If problems persist, make sure the Fitbit app has location and Bluetooth permissions, and reinstall the app as a last resort. This often fixes persistent sync or
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.